the following contest is for the room Brawl, Hulk Hogan versus Edge. And the light and this starts now. And here comes Hogan. And wow. The lights just turn on and off, on and off, on and off before he just went in. When it comes rushing down and it hurts a lot. He won. Like, no matches in Superstar Toy Rumbles right now. And Hulk Hogan is still the best wrestler that we ever saw before. Because he did the leg drop. One time to Spider-Man and Big Blow Up. And what's happening now? The lights just shut off. What is happening? R.I.P. Edge! And Edge is here! You might be scared for this. And it's Edge! What just happened? What just happened? The Edge. R.I.P. Edge! And the lights just shut off again. What just happened? And he just came in the ring out of nowhere. He came in the ring out of nowhere. And look, he threw his overall jacket. Ding, ding, ding. Look at this, Edge tries to go for the spear, and then he dodges it. Oh, Hogan, go for that. Leg drop. What is happening? Oh, yeah. Look at this. What's happening? Leg drop. Another leg drop. No, he dodges it. Edge dodges it. And the lights just shut off. Again. What just happened? Now Edge is it. And a spear. What is happening? How can you turn the lights back on? What is happening? R.I.P. Edge! Look at that. This is what's happening. The lights are turning darker. What was happening? With Edge? Uh-oh. The lights turned dark. The lights turned all the way dark. And it's back! That's how we turned the lights back on. No way! Whoa! How did that just even happen? Look at Edge. Oh my gosh, they didn't want to see the spear because it was hurting Hulk Hogan a lot. And Hulk Hogan's lip bleed. Oh! RKO! DDT! RKO! DDT! And look at that! A super spear! His lips are bleeding. gonna show you. Look at that. It's never ending. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Look at this. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Judgment suplex. And another judgment suplex out of the ring. What is gonna happen? Look at both of them. Look at Edge and Hogan. Oh, look what Edge does. RKO. Another flip suplex. I think that's it for Hulkster. Wow! 1, 2, and he kicks out. What's that? Oh my gosh. What just happened with Edge? It's too dirty up there. Oh my gosh. Judgment suplex. Look at what Edge is doing. That. Oh. Look what's happening. Spear. Look at that. Edge is winning so far. Look at that. Whoa. The choker. The ring has stopped. 1, 2, and he kicks out. That was almost like a submission. Then he hits the turnbuckle of the ring. The Hulk Hogan's still very hurt. Still wild. But what is happening? Where is that going? Where is that even going? He got a big show. Oh my. Look at that big shoe. RKO. And he gets back up. Judgment suplex. Okay, I think that's it for Hulkster. I think so. And they're gonna do it. Ah! He dodges it. Look at that. Look at what Edge is doing. He's not stick. Oh my! Back into the ring. Oh. Back flip splash. I think that's it for Hulkster. Oh my gosh, he just bounced. Ah. Look what's that happening? What is happening? Oh! Now it's Hulkster's turn to be attacked. And look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. And then on this day, I see clearly everything that's come to life. Gotta play. Way up broken dream. On this day, oh Lord. On this day, I see clearly everything has come to life. On this day, I see clearly everything has come to life. On this day, I see clearly this day, I see clearly, here is your winner, and I see clearly, the class, why? I see clearly, everything has come to life, everything running through